Mr. Guru Prasad, can you read this? Guru Prasad,
Okay, sir. Sir, I
please
want to
read.
read, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Economists warn against RBI cutting interest rates amid high inflation. The debate over whether the Reserve Bank of India should reduce interest rates during a period of high inflation has intensified, with the leading economists cautioning against potential destabilizing effects after Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that bank interest rates will have to be far more affordable, while the government's push for low rates reflect its focus on accelerating industrial activity and job creation. Economists argue that easing rates too soon could risk reversing the gains made in inflation control. The discussion comes ahead of RBI December monetary policy meeting, where all eyes are on Governor Shaktikant Da's next move. India's retail inflation rose to a 14-month high of 6.2% in October, compared with 5.5% in the previous month, as food inflation galloped on the back of rising vegetable prices.
Yeah, Mr. Guru Prasad, you know this. This is very important point. Now inflation
Oh,
is 6.2% in
compared
October.
to 5.5. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Please continue.
Okay, sir. UK-India Free Trade Agreement to relaunch in early 2005. The UK-India Free Trade Agreement, a key trade deal that could significantly reshape bilateral economic relations, is set to relaunch in early 2025. This amount comes after a
Hmm.
high-level
Hello,
meeting
hello,
between
hello. మీరు ఏం చదివారు? This?
this announcement comes
Hmm.
after a high-level meeting
Hmm.
between UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the sidelines of the G20 summit, signaling renewed commitment from both nations.
This is very important point.
Okay,
UK
sir.
Prime Minister Keir Starmer and
Keir
Indian
Starmer
Prime
and
Minister met in G20 summit. Yeah,
summit
continue.
signaling
Signaling.
a renewed commitment from both nations to enhance their economic and strategic partnership. The relaunch of the UK-India FTA negotiations represents an important move in strengthening the UK's global trading position. The deal holds the promise of not only boosting trade, but also fostering closer ties in areas such as security, technology, education, and climate change. Urban unemployment rate hits fresh low of 6.4% in quarter 2 financial year 2025. PLS data, in a positive sign, the urban employment rate in the September quarter of the current financial year declined to a fresh low of 6.4% due to a sharper dip in female unemployment rate, according to the quarterly periodic labor force survey data for urban India released by the National Statistical Office on Monday. The joblessness rate in quarter one financial year 2025 had declined to 6.6% from a four-quarter high of 6.7% in quarter four financial year 2024. The headline unemployment rate under the current weekly status for women, where activity status is determined based on the reference period over the past 7 days, preceding the date of the survey, stood at 8.4% during the quarter, down from the 9% in the preceding quarter. LIC blames technical glitch after Tamil Nadu CM MK Stalin claims Hindi imposition on website. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister MK Stalin on November 19 accused State and Insular Life Insurance Corporation of acting as a propaganda tool for the imposition after the website displayed text in Hindi. Posting a screenshot of the LIC website, Stalin wrote in a post on X, the LIC website has been reduced to a propaganda tool for Hindi imposition. Even the option to select English is displayed in Hindi. Government plans minority stake sale in 4 public sector units bank sources. The central government is considering selling minority stakes in 4 state-run banks to comply with public shareholding norms mandated by the country's markets regulator, a government source said. Reuters: The finance minister is likely to seek approval of the cabinet in the coming months to dilute the stake in Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank, the sources said. The central government owns more than 93% in Central Bank of India, 96.4% in Indian Overseas Bank, 95.4% in UCO Bank, 98.3% in Punjab and Sindh Bank as of end September, according to data on the BSC website. SBI asked RBI to let it run 2 lines of factoring operations. State Bank of India has requested the banking regulator that it be given a special dispensation that would allow the lender, the nation's biggest by share in outstanding loans, to conduct the factoring business within the bank and also through its existing subsidiary. In its letter sent earlier this month to the Reserve Bank of India, the state-run lender said that the bank may be allowed to continue both its businesses because they serve different clients. SBI has argued that its factoring businesses from the bank serves large clients overseas, while its factoring subsidiaries serve local media and small companies with outstanding amounts of up to 100 crore. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India argues bankers to focus on core job, not sell insurance alone, avoid mis-selling. Insurance India regulator IRDAI's chairman Devsis Pandey on Tuesday urged bankers to focus on their core job, not pedestal insurance alone. In comments that come after the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman also made similar suggestions, Pandey said the bank assurance channel is very helpful in deepening the reach of insurance in the country. There is merit in the system, but we have to do it with care and caution so that you don't forget your activity and only start selling insurance. It should be incidental, Panda said. Businesses and industry. Infosys focuses on developing small language models. Infosys is witnessing an increasing demand from enterprises worldwide for customized small language models to improve business operations. Speaking at the 27th edition of the Bengaluru Tech Summit 2024, Balakrishna D. Dr. Senior Vice President Service offers Head Energy Communication Services and Artificial Intelligence and Automatic Services. Infosys said Infosys just launched 2 small languages develop models about a month back. A lot of our customers are saying, can you actually help it for my content? So all of these are opportunities for us to help the entire world adopt artificial AI, Balkrishna said. On October 2024, the IT major announced the launch of 2 small language models built using the NVIDIA artificial intelligence tech tailored for the banking and IT specific applications. Small language models are algorithms based on machine language that are trained on a more specific data set than large language models. Bharati Global completes acquisition of 24.5% stake in UK's BT Group. Bharati Global, the international investment arm of Bharti Enterprise, announced that it has completed the acquisition of 24.5% of the issued share capital in UK's BT Group. This makes Bharti, which runs company Airtel, the majority shareholder in the UK's second largest telecom company, the BT Group, which was formerly called British Telecom. In a statement, Sunil Bharati Mittal, chair of Bharati Enterprise, said, "We are delighted to have completed our investment into BT. Bharati has long recognized the enormous potential of the business. BT's renewed focus on optimization, strengthening networks, and driving consumer growth make it well placed to consolidate its position as a leading global telecom company that delivers long-term value for investors." Regulatory and development news. SEBI's SME IPO paper proposes 2x minimum application size, workshops limit of 20%, more allottees. Capital market regulator SEBI has come out with a consultation paper on November 19 to review the listing framework of small and medium enterprises, suggesting an increase in the minimum application size to rupees 2 lakh per application. Among other recommendations, and the proposal by SEBI suggests changing the allocation methodology for non-institutional investors, where the proportionate allotment for the NII category must be discontinued and draw of lots allotment be introduced, as is applicable for the retail category. The SEBI consultation paper has also proposed to the merchant bankers and the stock exchanges to limit the offer for sale portion in the SME public issue to 20 to 25% of the total issue size. Under the existing method, there is a requirement for SME issues to be considered successfully. There should be minimum of 50 allottees in the public issue. CB proposes to suggest that this requirement of minimum allottees in public issue be raised to 200. Suggestions have been received regarding the appointment of the monitoring agency for issue size of 20 to 50 crore as against the current requirement of such appointment from rupees 100 crore. Insolvency and Bankrupt Board of India proposes several changes in latest paper. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India proposes several changes to liquidation regulations, including a review of the action process and voluntary liquidation regulations. In a discussion paper on Tuesday, the proposed amendments to the IBBI liquidation process regulations 2016 and IBBI voluntary liquidation body regulation 2017 aim to streamline the liquidation process under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code by addressing timely appointment of liquidators, expeditious completion of voluntary liquidation process, and enhancing management of corporate liquidation account. NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, ICE RuPay UPI expansion to 10 countries. National Payment Corporation of India is in talks with 10 countries to introduce the Unified Payment Interface and RuPay. For UPI, we have signed up with 3 countries, but implementation may take a few more weeks. With Namibia, Trinidad and Tobago, and Peru, the commercial agreements have been signed, said Dilip Aspe, MD and CEO of National Payment Corporation. At the 11th SBI Banking and Economics Summit, there is a lot to be done as far as the globalization of UPI and RuPay. The stack is considered. 5-6 countries have signed up and 10 countries are added. Currently, UPI is available in 7 countries: France, the UAE, Singapore, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and Nepal.
Mauritius.
Mauritius.
RBI key rates.
RBI key rate, forex as well as equity.
No. You read this one, then this one, then this one. Repo rate, how much it is? Repo rate, how much is it?
Repo rate 6.5%.
SDF.
SDF 6.25%.
MSF
bank rate 6.75%. CRR 4.5%. SLR 18%. Forex RBI reference in rupees 1 United States dollars 84.4036. 1 GBP 106.996.
What is GBP? What is GBP?
Sir.
What is GBP?
I'm not aware of it, sir. GBP.
British pound sterling.
Okay. I know pound, sir. Remaining one is euros 89.4217. Indian rupees 100. JPY 54.6400.
What is JPY?
Japanese yen.
Japanese yen.
Japanese yen. Okay, Sensex. Sensex 77,578.38.
Okay.
It is in plus. Nifty 23,518.50.
Bank Nifty
This is a
50,000.
Bank Nifty 50,626.50.
That is also plus. That is
That is
today.
also plus
That is
today,
Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday figures. Very good. Thank you, Mr. గొరంట్ల గురు ప్రసాద్. మీరు చూసారా, మీకు చదివిని ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు. యు ఆర్
Sir,
ఓన్లీ మార్కెటింగ్ పర్సన్, యు ఆర్ యూస్ టు టాకింగ్ 1-to-1. అలాగే ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉంది, కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ చదువుని ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు. అందుకే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. బోర్డు.
no, sir, I read. Sir, I read daily Hindu newspaper, sir.
ఓ వెరీ గుడ్. బట్ అది మెంటలీ చదువుతున్నారు, కానీ ఓపెన్లీ చదవచ్చు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ లౌడ్లీ.
So, okay, sir. Okay, I have to change some. I have to
Practice.
change,
That is,
sir.
you
Okay,
close the door.
okay, okay,
You close the door. Close the door. Sit down and read loudly.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will improve, sir.
Only headlines you read.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Every day I read Hindu newspaper, sir. I had subscription in the Hindu newspaper. I will read,
So
sir.
what is
And
the
every day,
what is the news today morning?
sir. Sir, today, sir, in Maharashtra, sir. Okay, okay. I will tell, sir. In Maharashtra,
చెప్పండి.
elections will be. In Maharashtra, elections are going on, sir. Today, 288 assembly elections are there, sir. Only single day elections are going on. For Jharkhand, second final phase of elections are going on, sir. In Jharkhand, final phase, sir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited with Guyana. He visited Guyana, sir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Guyana.
Good. Tarvata,
Sir,
I'm happy.
unrelated.
I'm happy you are able to remember correctly and tell me.
Okay.
Good.
Sir,
Tell me.
and again,
in some other news.
sir, some other news. One agriculture related article will be there, sir, regarding Maharashtra. Sir, now elections are going on in Maharashtra. All political parties are mainly concentrating on providing. They are mainly concentrating giving other than agriculture. They are focusing all things. Other than agriculture, they are focusing all things. In their manifestos also, they are only focusing. Except agriculture, they are all focusing remaining things. That one related to agriculture, there is one article is there, sir. I read that, sir.
1 minute.
In Maharashtra.
1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is 1 minute.